Hey YouTube, it's your girl Loaferette and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. It's wash day. It's wash day. My hair is extremely dirty because I haven't washed my hair and I want to say 2 months. Yeah, 2 months. I am not ashamed because I actually prefer the low manipulation of your hair method. So I'm not going to go in detail as to the actual washing of my hair. I actually want to do this video because of this bad boy. One sec. This bad boy right here. It is the Blue Magic. I don't know if you guys know about Blue Magic. I've used this as a staple growing up, or really and truly my aunts, whoever has braided my hair, and I really want to do a twist out using this bad boy. So if you want to see my video using Blue Magic to do a twist out, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Alright, let's get to the video. I'm very much a lazy natural. Like, I'm not into the reading of the, packaging and seeing like what's on there, like the ingredients. I ain't got time for that. I'm really just about trying things out and I want to know how my hair feels. So this was actually this. And if you're looking to know how I do that, again, there's a video on how I did that. It's really just right. Conditioner time. Okay, so I did not use a shampoo this time around because I didn't use a lot of product in my hair. I'm only using a conditioner and I need a lot. So I get my conditioners from the dollar store. I can't remember the name, but yeah, just go to the dollar store. And I'm using my Easy Detangler brush to brush my hair out. I do have a video on my channel of me actually trying out the Easy Detangler. So in case that you guys are interested, you can check that video out. And I'm just going ahead and twisting my hair because your girl works in sections. Alright y'all, so here is fresh and ready to be styled. I did not use any shampoo. I'm just using conditioner for now because I didn't really put a lot of product on my hair for my last style. So I said, you know what, conditioner should be fine. And while I was detangling it, it was actually detangling really nicely. So yeah, I'll be fine. So for this, we're going to be doing the LOC method. So I'm not sure if you guys are familiar. I do have a lot of videos on my channel that goes over the LOC method. So LOC means leave-in, oil, and cream. Okay, I also put G at the end because I put a little bit of gel on my hair because my hair is 4C, okay? And if I only use just the LOC, trust me, my hair will be reverting back in like 2 seconds. So I put a little bit of gel. For LO, we're actually going to be only using this bad boy right here, the Blue Magic conditioner. So I did not know it was a conditioner. I didn't know it was similar to like a leave-in and whatnot. All I know, it was very greasy. Like, we used it to grease our scalp, and that's why I think LO would go well with this because again, it's leave-in and it really acts like a bit of an oil. I'm a little bit late on the bandwagon, but it's been going crazy, like I want to say since last year, that they were using this. And when I saw this, I was like, damn, why are we doing that? That's weird. Let's see how it'll do on my hair. Alright, first up is the Blue Magic. Do you guys see that consistency? It is really reminding me of grease. Well, we called it grease back home. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and coat my hair with that. I use a bit of it because it is a conditioner. Next up is our shea butter. Guys, I do have a video on my channel how I make the shea butter, but honestly, you can use any kind of cream that you want. You want to make sure with this shea butter that you massage it into your hair. Make sure it dissolves. Next up is our Eco Styling Gel. Again, we are doing the LOC method, but we are twisting it up. We're adding a G, which is gel, and you just need a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with my Easy Detangler brush and brush the hair out. This part is very key because whenever you have to kind of split the hair apart, you want to make sure that there are no tangles in your hair, and just twist it down. Alright y'all, so I have already gone ahead and done most of my hair, as you can see. I just want to show you guys what the Blue Magic really looks like when it goes onto my hair. It smells like childhood. And this is the consistency. Yeah, very thick. And this is really what it's looking like coming onto my hair. I do try to put on quite a bit. I'm going to put it on my ends to show you guys what I was talking about. Do you see that? What the hell is that? Look at that. That's crazy. Alright y'all, so we are done finally. It didn't take me too long, to be honest. It's pretty quick. But yeah, this is how my hair is looking. Ooh, it looks so good. My hair has grown. I'm used to it being like a little up here, but wow. So first impression so far, I don't know. While I was doing my hair, it was a lot more sleeker. This was the only amount of hair that came out of my hair. Granted, I did wash it and detangled it, but this is the only amount of hair that came out while I was doing it, so not too bad. But so far so good. I love the sheen. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it is a little shiny. I'll let you guys know how long it takes my hair to dry. All right y'all, so I am back. It's been about 6 days. However, let's just say my hair dried within 2 days. I would say that is a win. I couldn't believe it, but I think it's because how small my hair was braided or twisted. That's why it dried so quickly. But how are you guys feeling about the mic? I finally turned the mic on. So if the audio is a little different, the mic is on. Oh, let me show you guys. This is what the mic is looking like. I wish it was right here, because then I'd be set, but gotta pull it down. All right y'all, so before I start to do any sort of twist out, I like to use this oil or any oil in general, but I'm using the Pattern Beauty, I think it's jojoba oil. You can use extra virgin oil if you want, but all you're doing is just coating your hands. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of my hair out of the way so that I can get every single one, because I'm always missing one. Always. Every single time I do this, I miss one. I like to start from the middle and kind of work my way down. Ooh, this is already looking good. Ooh, yes. And do you see these coils? This is exactly what I'm looking for in a twist out. Ooh, this is gonna look so fire. When I'm separating, I like to twist it in the opposite direction and look for where it naturally separates, and then separate from there. Guys, do you see that? And when this gets bigger and bigger and bigger, it's going to look so sexy. Ooh, we have some definition, some thickness. Ooh, we love it. So let's speak about the shininess that is going on here on the tips of my hair. It is super shiny. Alright y'all, so this is my hair. Can you guys believe how this turned out? My hair looks super amazing, super defined, and guess what? I only used a bit of the oil that I coated on my hands on the bottom of my hair, or at the base of my hair, or the back of my hair. However, as I got higher and higher and higher, I felt like my hair was already greasy enough, so I didn't add any more oil. The Blue Magic felt oily enough that it would not have made my hair frizzy. Guys, the definition that I'm getting right now is disgusting. Wait, what? Look at my hair. I went ahead and kind of fluffed it out a little bit. Nothing too strenuous, because I want you guys to see it in its natural glory. This is my hair, y'all. The back. And it's looking amazing, bruh. What the hell? I'm gonna have to use this more often. You guys can let me know in the comments down below, how did I do? We brought back old school twist out, y'all. There's nothing that beats going back to basics. Back to basics, y'all. I think Blue Magic is that girl. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Also, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you do not miss another upload. And also follow me on all my social media accounts, Loaferette, at Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy the bloopers. I'm so low. Fresh is. What am I trying to say? I'm sorry guys if you hear that. That is my dryer doing the most. My battery's about to die. Ugh. And do you see those coils? That exactly. Oh my god. Y'all, I'm telling you, I always forget one or two. This is the second one I forgot. And then as I got to the top of my hair,